Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
At a formal program held on the 29th of August 2022, the Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress had welcomed 23 individuals from various political parties into the TMC family of North Shillong Constituency. The candidate from the constituency, Elgiva Rynjah, and Party Vice President James Lyngdoh, party leaders and supporters were present during the function that was held in Shillong. Welcoming the 23 newcomers, James Lyngdoh encouraged them to consider the TMC as their own and to strive to work hard towards strengthening the party in the area. At the same time, Lyngdoh urged upon each of them to not hesitate to approach any of the party's leaders should they have queries or doubts related to the party.
Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress, yapi baro sya kini ke parti ke jongi bangi nyatrelang long try kini ke parti at kawai ke bangakwa benong mapilai join kini parti tong nyatre sistem amtang nabantakan North Shillong pidon ki bahayang sem pidon ki perlok perjor amtang hakane ka constituency pidon sya bar jong constituency sya kisnong ki thau sya kiwei parti constituency sobha yatrelang arpa mar kini ki bawan menta kidai tangki leaders kidai tangki nong yalam ngai ke jingket bok terbiang kiru ba kindan kemet ke phat ke ba klan basat banginang persyangru baginang ya kringsu sya ya kiwei ki members ki jongki ki ba kidon hakisen ki ba fair ba kinang wanyalam yangi banwan yalam lang sya ke parti ke jongi